Hi everyone! In this video, I would like to show you how to fold a square ninja star. Materials you need are the small square paper we made in the last video and a glue stick. Let's begin! Flip the paper over so the white side is facing up. If your paper is the same color on both sides, you don't need to flip it. Fold the bottom edge up to meet the top edge. Now match the top and bottom edges. Hold the top with one hand and with your other hand slide down both sides to crease the fold. Open the paper. You will see a horizontal line. This is called a crease. Now rotate the paper so the crease runs from top to bottom. Fold the bottom edge up to meet the top edge again. Match the corners and press to make a nice crease. Open the paper. Now you will see both horizontal and vertical crease. It looks like a cross. You should also see 4 small squares inside the paper. Now we are going to start folding. Rotate the paper so one corner is pointing toward you. You will see a small square in front of you. Fold the square into a triangle by matching the bottom corner to the point where the 2 creases meet. Once the point and sides are lined up, fold it into a triangle. Now rotate the paper and bring the next corner in front of you. Fold the square in half to make another triangle. Match the bottom corner to the center point. Rotate again. Bring the next corner in front. And fold it into a triangle. Do the same for the last corner. Finally, you can glue the inside the flaps like this. Ta-da! You've made a square ninja star. You can throw this ninja star somewhere safe where no one is around. This is a great way to practice folding along the creases you made. I think we've finished all the prerequisite practice before we start folding more exciting origami designs. In the next video, I will introduce some slightly more challenging folds that I actually did with 3 to 6-year-old children at my school. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.